Hey guys, it's CHP Technologies here, and about 4 months ago, I built a PC. But not just any PC. If you follow Quinn of Snazzy Labs, then you may remember his $682 hack mini build. And that's the exact computer I chose to be the first computer I ever built. So like I said, this is the same computer that Quinn of Snazzy Labs built many months back, and if you want to see it get put together, then I'll leave his video linked above, as well as his performance test video where he runs it through some benchmarks and answers some questions that other people had. With that said, here's all the parts that made this build possible. Starting with the case, this is a Streamcom F1C Evo WS. This tiny little Mac Mini lookalike will run you about $100 and comes in two colors as well as two models. It comes in silver for a true lookalike look, and black like I have here. The difference between the two models is that one has a slot for an optical drive, while the version I have does not. The rest of the components include the Gigabyte H170 motherboard, an Intel Skylake i5-6500 CPU, 16GB of Crucial Ballistics DDR4 RAM, a Samsung 256GB 850 EVO SSD, a Minibox 160W Pico PSU, the Noctua NH-L9i CPU cooler, an external Pico PSU power brick, and a Broadcom BCM94352Z chip. This is for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And of course, it wouldn't be a Hackintosh without OS X. I'll leave a link down below to the same build guide I used to put this whole thing together. Now, one of the questions people asked Snazzy was, can you game on it? And his answer was,
can a zebra ride a bicycle?
Which was kind of funny. But I wanted to actually know this myself, hence why I built the computer to begin with. Now, if you plan on playing AAA titles like GTA 5 and Witcher 3, then don't build this, because this will be nowhere near powerful enough. I typically play games like Counter-Strike, COD 4, and Garry's Mod, so they're not really graphic intensive, but they're fun games nonetheless. Here are the results of each game running on recommended settings, as well as settings I set myself.
Team deathmatch. Let's do this, Marines.
Suffice to say, I was pretty impressed with the performance this little computer was able to put out. Now, the other reason I built this computer was so I could have a dedicated desktop, because as some of you know, my whole setup for a while was powered by a 2012 13-inch MacBook Pro. It ran a monitor, mouse, keyboard, 2 external hard drives, and it was just a lot for a laptop. Now, my MacBook Pro was my editing machine, and so the Hack Mini had to be just as good, if not better. And it is. Editing in Final Cut on the Hackintosh works just as well as it does on an actual Mac. Random crashes and all. But in all seriousness, if you're looking for a Mac Mini but lose all color in your face when you see the price Apple wants for something similar to the Hack Mini, then this is definitely for you. So thank you all for watching, hope you enjoyed. If you did, a like is always appreciated, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. All the links you might need will be down in the description below. Again, thank you all for watching, and have a great day everyone.